In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders and navigation menus in Squarespace 7.1. Whether you're starting a brand new website or improving the structure of an existing one, understanding folders can make your site more organized and user-friendly. First, log into your Squarespace account. On the homepage, click Login and, if you prefer, continue with Google for quick access. Once inside, select the website you want to edit and you'll land on your main dashboard. From here, head over to the Pages section on the left-hand side. This is where you'll control your site's structure and navigation. Next to each page, you'll notice a plus icon. Click it, and you'll see options including Folder and Drop-down Folder. Choose the one that best fits how you want your menu to look. Folders are great for grouping related pages together under one menu item. For example, you might place all of your services pages into a single folder, which makes navigation cleaner for your visitors. After creating a folder, it's time to organize. Simply drag and drop your existing pages into the folder. This visual setup makes it easy to adjust until everything feels neat and logical. Take a moment here to double-check the order of your pages. Well-structured menus can make a huge difference in how smoothly visitors browse your site. And that's it. You've just learned how to use folders and navigation menus in Squarespace 7.1. Mastering this simple feature will save you time and make your site easier to manage, while also creating a better experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.